Hi, we're VoxCraft VR. We created a Minecraft experience with the immersiveness of virtual reality. I'm Grace Liu.
And I'm Steve Han. To build this, we used A-Frame, which is a framework for building web VR experiences. It uses WebXR, 3JS, and WebGL, and it also uses an entity component system.
Some of the core features of our program include having an infinite voxel world, having terrain generation with Perlin noise, being able to mine and place voxels with raycasting, having basic physical movement in a flying mode, having texture map voxels, and a user inventory. And we'll go more into depth into all of this.
To display the world, we use voxels, which are just blocks you see in this world. And we group them into chunks of 32 by 32 by 32. And to render them efficiently, we only generate the outside mesh of each chunk instead of rendering every single block.
Additionally, we also have an infinite world. So instead of pre-computing the entire world before gameplay, we do it as you play. And so we display 5x5 grids of chunks, and we generate and render the new chunks when necessary. So as soon as you leave your cell, we will generate new chunks. And in order to preserve the landscape when you return the cells, we will store changes to old chunks that we have visited.
And to generate our terrain, we're using a Perlin noise, and we're varying the texture of the voxels using a texture atlas according to the height of the terrain. And we are also randomly generating trees and lanterns to make the world more interesting.
Additionally, we have two different movement modes. We have creative mode, which allows flying and where the sky is the limit. And we have survival mode, where gravity, auto jump, and collision prevention are all implemented.
We also implemented a crawling cursor, which is basically it follows your right hand and it shows exactly which face in the world you're highlighting, and it will adapt its display based on the 3D objects in the world.
So using that crawling cursor, we have building and where you can create your own virtual reality. And it's super simple. All you have to do is pull the trigger on your right hand to build a block on the selected face.
And of course, we have mining. So to do this, you have to repeatedly move your arm across a block. And yeah, it's quite an arm workout, if I have to be honest, but it does work. And different blocks will take different time to mine. For example, a stone will take a very long time.
Additionally, we also have an inventory, and all you do is click a button on your left controller to toggle this on and off. And then you use your right hand and cast the ray to detect which item is selected. So we have different types of blocks you can build, and we have different tools you can use to mine the different blocks you create.
Speaking of which, we have the classic Minecraft pickaxe. So it will give you the power of almost instantaneous mining. But with this power, you have to always remember to never mine down, because bad things will happen. The first rule of Minecraft.
And with that, we have a short video demo. I am not a gamer girl, but I can give you a tour of our VoxCraft VR gameplay, and you can find this video in our GitHub page. Oh.
Where shall we build a house? Should we go that hill, the current hill we're on, that hill, or somewhere over there? Okay, I'm just gonna build here. Why is it stone based? No, go out to flying mode now. Okay, here we are. Let's see. Stone ceiling. And then there's my sentence. There's B. Is it near A?
Yes.
And with that, thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to shoot us an email at our GitHub handles. Thank you.
Thanks.